She had nothing, no money, no support, no fame. All she had was an idea and a problem. Everywhere she looked, she saw trash, mountains of waste in her city. People ignored it, but she didn't. She thought, what if the trash could become something valuable? People laughed at her. You are crazy, they said. Who will buy garbage? But she didn't give up. She started small. She collected plastic bottles, paper, and other waste. She found ways to turn it into useful products, furniture, decorations, and even materials for building houses. It was not easy. The first day she started, she could barely afford transportation. She had to walk long distance to collect the trash. She had no proper equipment. Her hands were cut and sore. Sometimes she returned home empty handed. She faced rejection again and again. Banks refused to give her loans. Investors laughed at her ideas. Friends told her to quit, but she kept going. She experimented with different materials. She failed many times. Some product broke, some customers didn't like them. She learned from every mistake. She stayed awake at night thinking, how can I make this work? How can I change? Who will help me? Slowly, something incredible happened. One company agreed to try her recycled materials. It was small, but it was a start. The first sale brought just a few $100. It was not much, but it was enough to buy more trash and try again. She began hiring a few workers, people who had no jobs. She taught them how to recycle, how to create, and how to see value in what others threw away. Word spread. People saw her creativity. People saw her dedication. People saw her courage. More companies wanted her recycled products. Stores wanted to sell them. School wanted her for projects. Governments noticed her innovative work. Her small business began to grow. She opened a workshop. She bought machines carefully one by one. She trained more employees. She created systems. She built something bigger than himself. But success didn't come overnight. Many nights she doubted herself. What if this fails? What if I can't pay my workers? What if no one buys my products? She remembered the laughter of the people who said she was crazy, and they remembered why she started. She kept going. As the years passed, her business expanded. What started as a tiny workshop became a factory. What started with a few workers became a hundreds of employees. What started with plastic bottles became a variety of recycled products. And then the world began to notice. Media covered her story. Newspaper wrote about her innovation. Television channels interviewed her. People called her a genius. She had turned trash into billions of dollars empires. But money was never the main goal. Her main goal was to create something valuable from waste. Her main goal was to help people. Her main goal was to inspire others to see opportunity where others see nothing. She changed lives. She created jobs. She helped communities. She helped the environment. Her story is not just about money, it is about vision, it is about persistence, it is about courage, it is about never giving up, even when everyone doubts you, even Now, when people see mountains of trash, some think it is useless. But she sees opportunity, she sees value, she sees a future. And that is what separates ordinary people from extraordinary people. She proved that one person's problem could become a solution for the world. Her journey teaches an important lesson. Success doesn't come quickly, it doesn't come easily. It comes after hard work, it comes after failure, it comes after persistence. When she started, people laughed. When she started, people said it was impossible. When she started, the world ignored her. But she believed. She believed in her idea. She believed in her vision. She believed in herself. And that belief became a $1 billion empire. Imagine starting with nothing. Imagine starting with trash. Imagine being laughed at by everyone. And imagine building something that changes the world. That is the power of persistence. That is the power of vision. That is the power of believing in yourself. Today, people all over the world look up to her. Young entrepreneurs study her methods. Students learn from her creativity. Communities adopt her recycling systems. She created not just a company, she created a movement that shows that small ideas can grow into global empires. And her story is far from over. Every day, she finds new ways to recycle, new ways to innovate, new ways to teach. Every day, she finds new ways to inspire others to see the value in what others throw away. Her journey proves one thing clearly. Even the smallest idea can grow into something extraordinary. Even the smallest step can change the world. Even the most ignored person can create a global empire. So, the next time you see something useless, look again. Look closer. You might see an opportunity waiting for you. Her empire started with trade. Your empire could start with an idea. And the best part, you don't need billions to start. You do not need fame. You do not need anyone's approval. All you need is belief. All you need is courage. All you need is action. She turned trash into a $1 billion empire, and that empire is still growing. This story is not just about her, it's about what is possible for all of us. It is about the power of creativity, hard work, and persistence. Remember her journey. Remember her struggles. Remember her victories. And remember this: your idea might be ignored. Your idea might be laughed at. Your idea might be almost fail. But if you believe in it, if you work for it, if you never give up, you too can turn trash into an empire.